Hey Fit Queens, so I just finished this leg and booty workout, and as you can see, your girl was working, okay? Hey ladies, welcome back to Home Workouts with DejaFit, the best YouTube channel for at-home workouts. And today I have a booty and leg workout for you. I just got done with it, just sweat. Okay, so for this workout, you will need some dumbbells. You need one set of medium to heavy dumbbells. So if you're working out at home, 20 to 25 would be good if you can go that heavy. However, use what you have. But I will tell you this, ladies, the purpose of this workout is to build the booty. And to build that booty, you need some heavier weights, okay? So gradually keep increasing. So if you start at 5 pounds, okay, next month you need to be at 10 pounds, maybe a couple months after that, 15, 20, 30, 50 pounds until you got that dump truck, okay? Because that's how you get that dump truck, all right? So this workout is gonna be separated into 3 different circuits. It's gonna be 2 rounds per circuit with a 45-second break in between each circuit, okay? Let's grab your resistance bands and your dumbbells and let's go.
I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week. I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night. I'm a spend. I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week. I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night.
My life's dope. I wear fancy clothes. I'm a hella work. I got hella shows. As I'm earning dope, I'ma bring the show. Anywhere I go,
live a life to the maximum. All day and night. All day and night. All day and night.
Live a life to the maximum.
All day and night. All day and night. All day and night.
I'll be up all night.
Let me be your king, yes I could be your captain. Live a life of dreams and live a life of fashion. I'ma lift you up before I throw you out, cause you can live your life sitting down. I'm a king, I'm a boss. I'ma spend, let it cost. Let me live my life of bliss in the fast lane. I'ma be on top of the world, watch it happen.
I'm a spend, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week. I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night.
All day and night. All day and night. All day and night.
Live a life to the maximum.
All day and night. All day and night. All day and night.
I'll be up all night. Live a life to the maximum.
Spend it hard, spend it fast. What you need, I got cash. Make a wish, I'll make plans. I'm a pig in a stew. I don't give if I'm rude. Let me live my life with bliss in the fast lane. I'ma be on top of the world, watch it happen.
My life's dope. I wear fancy clothes. I'm a hella broke. I got hella flows. As I'm earning dope, I'ma bring the show. Anywhere I go,
live a life to the maximum. All day and night. All day and night. All day and night.
live a life to the maximum.
All day and night. All day and night. All day and night.
I be up all night. Live a life to the maximum.
Should've known that it was obvious. Should've read between the lines. Caught the eyes of the audience. Played your game where the rules do not apply. Now I see when it's out in the light. And I'm leaving your love behind. Now I see that you're out of my life. I don't need you. Every day we had another fight. I was far too blind to realize that our love had got out of control. Should've known I was better off alone. Now I see when it's out in the light. And I'm leaving your love behind. Now I see that you're out of my life. I don't need you. I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Watch me.
watch me.